A ver, vamos a ver. I'll say that sofa is not going through the garage door, but this professional dude, he say, here we go. We'll see. He say something about nalgas. I don't know what he's. And it's a rainy day, as you can see. But you know, we're just working like a donkey. I told him it won't fit. That's it. Remember, that's the garage door, guys. You know, it's always smaller than the other one. Me lastimaste. You hurt me, dude. See, they say it will fit, but now it's not fit. That's why we wrap the furniture, guys. That way, you know. There you go. It was okay. I mean, you know.
It don't matter. You said it wasn't gonna fit.
Yeah, but you know. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching these dudes.